Hello and thanks for passing by. Today in our lesson we shall look at linear motion, where we discuss on objects, bodies, vehicles moving at same direction, same speed, different times of the day, and we have a question to lead us through. A car moving at 80 kilometers per hour starts a journey of 200 kilometers from Mwembe to Tayari at 8 a.m. At 8:30 a.m., a minibus took off from Tayari towards Mwembe at an average speed of 100 kilometers per hour on the same road. 5 questions to lead us through. First, how far the car was from Mwembe when the minibus took off. Second, the relative speed of the two vehicles. Third, how long it will take for the two vehicles to meet. Fourth, how far from Tayari did the two vehicles meet? Fifth, the time of the day when the vehicles met. Let's get things going. First question, how far the car was when the minibus took off. Remember that our car took off at 8 and the minibus took off at 8:30. So there is a travel time of 30 minutes before the minibus took off. So speed of the car is 80 kilometers per hour, travel time half an hour, distance speed times time. Distance therefore shall be 80, speed of the car times a half time traveled, giving us 40 kilometers from Mwembe. 40 kilometers from Mwembe. Second question, the relative speed of the two vehicles. The car traveled at 80 kilometers per hour and the minibus traveled at 100 kilometers per hour. Therefore, to get the relative speed, the vehicles are moving in opposite directions. Therefore, we shall find the sum of their respective speeds. Relative speed shall therefore be 80 plus 100, giving us 180 kilometers per hour. Third question, how long it took before the two vehicles met. How long it took before the two vehicles met. The distance between the two vehicles at that time is 200 kilometers. Take away the 40 kilometers that has already been traveled by the car. So the remaining distance that is between separating the two vehicles is 160 kilometers. The relative speed already calculated before, 180 kilometers per hour. So the time of meeting shall be distance between the two vehicles divided by the relative speed, which is 160 divided by 180 gives us 8/9, 8/9 of an hour, or about 53 minutes. This can be written as about 53 minutes or 8/9 of an hour. How far from Tayari did the two vehicles meet? Now we can precisely follow the minibus because it took off from Tayari and we know the time traveled by the minibus to the meeting point. So we shall multiply the time traveled by the minibus by the speed of the minibus to get 100 times 8/9. That is about 88 and 8/9 kilometers, or 88.89 kilometers. Last question, the time of the day when the two vehicles met. Time of the day when the two vehicles met. We can find it in two ways. Let us follow the car. The car took off at 8. It traveled for 30 minutes before the minibus took off. It traveled for another 53 minutes before it meets the minibus. Total travel time 1 hour and 23 minutes. Add that to 8 a.m. when it took off, you get 9:23 a.m. We can as well follow the minibus. It took off at 8:30 and traveled for only 53 minutes before it meets the car. So add that to 8:30, still gives us 9:23 a.m. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel to watch these and many more educative videos. Goodbye.